Welcome to another episode of Living in Tahoe. I'm Tahoe Tony, your host, and I'm very excited today because we are lakefront on the Nevada side of Lake Tahoe, and this is incredible. I'm super excited because I've got a great property to show you today, and you're gonna love it. But I'm gonna have to ask you to do something. You've got to use your imagination. So whatever you do to get your imagination sparked, whether it's a glass of wine, cup of coffee, cup of tea, edible, whatever it is, those are legal in Nevada. Another great thing about our state. Go do that because we've got a great show for you today. So let's go get started. I promised you this would be amazing, and I deliver, right? Tahoe Tony delivers all the time. So let me introduce my friend Jen. This is her listing. Jen.
Hi, Jen Harrison here with eXp Realty with a sneak peek at an exclusive condo living in Lake Tahoe, Nevada.
And what property are we looking at today, Jen?
This is Crystal Towers.
One of the most coveted places in all of Lake Tahoe. Crystal Showers, a very luxurious living space. And we're gonna show you why today in this video. So stick around to the very end because there's so many great things about this property we wanna show you. So first of all, you saw the view, you're right on the water, incredible views of Lake Tahoe all the time. And living lakefront is something super special. There's only about 250 parcels and maybe about 400 condos that are actually on Lake Tahoe on the Nevada side. So these are very coveted. And when you have something in so high demand with such small amount of inventory, right, it's basic economics. They're gonna be priced very high, but the amount of living, style of living you get is totally worth it. So let's go check out this condo. I'm super excited.
All right.
It's lakefront living at its finest right here. Jen, tell me, what is your opinion of this condo? What are people saying about this?
It's open, it's elegant, and it's designed for effortless living.
I love that. So you're right on Lake Tahoe, and you're paying a premium for that, right? Because it is so special. So let's check out this condo, and then we'll talk about the lake. I want to go right to the lake, but I got to show you the condo because that's why you're watching, right? So love this kitchen. This is quartz, beautiful quartz. Flows all throughout the condo. So they didn't just put it in the kitchen. You'll see it in the bathrooms and the fireplace. Everything's lovely. So everything you need, they've got a dishwasher, a trash compactor. If you're gonna be cooking, you've got plenty of place to cook. A little fan in here to get things moving. And then all these cabinets for storage. And it's kind of like your pantry right there. So a lovely little kitchen. This is a 2-bedroom place. So you're not gonna have a ton of people here. It's not like you're gonna have big parties. But you can have easily 6 or 8 people in here comfortably. So I love that. So let's go check out the rest of the place. Jen, why don't you tell me about the living room here? You said it is elegant and designed for effortless living.
Yeah.
How do you describe that?
It's just nice and open. Going back to what you were saying about storage, all the storage has kind of been meticulously designed here.
So this is 1,300 square feet, right? So there's not a lot of room, but they put in a lot of storage so you can be comfortable. I love that. And everything is focused on the lake. Everywhere you look, you're seeing Lake Tahoe, which I love. Could you imagine? Remember when I asked you about your imagination? Imagine having dinner right here with Lake Tahoe as your background. Could you imagine? It's incredible because the lake, look, today it's a little bit calm. It's gorgeous. But some days it's windy and rough, some days it's completely flat, some days it's fogged in. So you have this ever-changing canvas, beautiful canvas that God created out here. And sometimes there's snow out there, sometimes there's not. So it's just incredible. And the sunsets here. Have you seen the sunsets from here?
It's beautiful, it's absolutely stunning.
Breathtaking. All right, so let's go check out the 2 bedrooms. I think you'll love those. So I love this all 1-level living. You come right out of the great room area here, right into the master bedroom. And it's an open concept with this glass block. You've got a bathroom, toilet, hot tub, shower, everything right there. It's awesome. Mirrors, so you can see the lake everywhere, right?
Yeah.
This is incredible.
It really allows a lot of natural light. I mean, this whole unit is just drenched in sun.
It's great. So you do have curtains there, so you could black everything else. So every now and then, you want to sleep in, you may be able to do that. And this is your workspace, right?
I mean, if it was my place, I would just sit here, have my morning coffee, and get as much work done as possible without being distracted by the view and all the fun activities going on out there. And I know that my seller, one of his favorite things about the unit is this floor to ceiling glass wall here where you can kind of see all the way down the coastline.
I think it's fabulous. You've got, this is Incline Village in the background, Diamond Peak over there, all the beaches for Incline Village, and then Sand Harbor over there. So this is where, if you bought this, would be your morning routine. You wake up to all of this incredible, expansive view. It's amazing. So very comfortable house and one of the best places to be in the entire world, and we're tax free. So before I show you the second bedroom, I'm going to introduce myself. I'm Tahoe Tony, XP Luxury Real Estate Managing Broker from Nevada Center, Lake Tahoe. And I help people move to Tahoe for several reasons. Whether they want to live lakefront, they want to know what living lakefront is like, this is it, or they want to save taxes. Whatever your reason is, reach out to me, I'll help you move to Lake Tahoe because that's what I love to do. But let's check out the second bedroom here. So the master bedroom's right there. The second bedroom's right here. So there's 2 bedrooms. So it's gonna be you and your best friend most likely, right? A great bedroom, very comfortable. A little peek of the lake there. We've got a shower right here. Everything you need to be comfortable. So it's full ensuite bedroom. And they have this nice cork flooring throughout the place. It's lovely, it's quiet, it feels really good on your feet, and tons of storage everywhere. So this is such a, how did Jen say it? Elegant, effortless living. I think that she nailed it. So not only are you living lakefront here, but this building has some amazing amenities. So let's go check this out. First, we're gonna go to the gym. Do a workout. You ready, Jen?
Yeah, let's do it.
Okay, look how close we are.
And also, this is the storage unit that goes with the unit as well. Okay.
Wow.
Everything you need here.
Fun.
Yeah.
Should we play some pool?
I mean,
Can you play beer pong here?
I
What's the
think-
HOA say? Are you allowed to do that? So I love this. Having a small place, but then you have a gym right here, so you can go work out. So it's almost like an extension of your place. So
absolutely.
I'm just looking at you can get a pretty good workout in here. You know, sometimes the gyms are pretty weak, but this is good.
It's got everything you need.
I like that. Little
Like
air hockey. This is great. So this is on the same floor as your unit. It's right there. It's like a 10-second walk.
By the time you pour some coffee or make your coffee, come get a pump on and you'll be back there when it's ready.
Awesome, I love it. So let's go down and check out this, probably one of the best amenities. Well, the beer's probably the best, but let's go check out the pool. So living lakefront in Lake Tahoe is the ultimate luxury. I mean, it's expensive. How much is this condo?
It's 2.9.
2.9 million for a lakefront condo. Houses on the lake go for, one of my agents sold one for 37 million, and the guy's thinking about tearing it down and remodeling. So another one sold for 68 million, and I drove by last week, and there's a bunch of trucks in there. They're remodeling the entire place. So lakefront is high demand. So only the wealthiest people get to live here. But I love this. You don't have to spend $30 to get this ultimate luxury. So remember when I was asking you to use your imagination? This is a swimming pool right here. Here's a picture of what it looks like in the summertime. They don't want us doing this in the summertime. There's very private people here. These are wealthy people that expect privacy, and that's what you get when we do. So we don't get to film in the summertime. So here we are in the winter. Tomorrow's New Year's Eve, right? Are you excited?
Very
Awesome.
excited.
So you've got to use your imagination to know what it feels like living ultimate luxury.
Well, Tony, if this is summer, I'm gonna cannonball this pool for you.
So let's go check out the pier. Are there any? Oh, well, we've got a barbecue area over here as well. So we'll check that out.
Yep, so normally there's tables and seating area here, so if you did have friends or family over, you just want to come down and barbecue your own beef fat steak, you know, you can do that.
And there's the restroom right there, so you don't have to go back in your unit if you need to use the restroom. So it's just very well thought out luxury living for people who have been successful and deserve very best. So what is so special about living lakefront? This is it right here. Tell me.
There's your buoy, your deeded buoy that comes with the property, 2D right there.
And having a deeded buoy is so special, having such easy access to your boat. Tell me about that. I'm sure the owner's told you, right?
I mean, just being able to get off work, down the mountain, come up, hit Mount Rose, park in your permitted parking spot just for you. Get in the elevator, 0 steps, go to your unit, drop off your bags, put your board shorts on, come down here, get in your boat, you are out enjoying Lake Tahoe and everything you see here.
Now, let me tell you how special that is, because I had a client who bought a lakefront property over there and they were redoing it. And he had a boat for years in Tahoe and he'd use it quite often. But when he had a boat, he had his own pier and buoy. He was on that boat every single day. He made business calls from there. He would go have lunch out there and then just stay out there and work the rest of the day. It makes it so much easier. So you're paying a premium for that. But if you want that special lifestyle, you've worked hard, you're successful, you think you deserve that special lifestyle, you got to be lakefront to get that. And this property gets all of that for you in less than $3 million. I think that's pretty special because, like I said, the lakefront homes are $30 million for a tear down. It's such a huge leap. So here, for less than $3 million, you could be lakefront with your own deeded buoy, your semi-private gym, your swimming pool, and there's what, 10 units in this building only?
Yeah, I believe, yeah.
That's amazing. And I
They
know
don't
people
come up
live
very
here
often
and they're
either.
not here very often. So a lot of times it's your own private swimming pool. They don't allow vacation rentals. They do long-term rentals. 6 months is the shortest you can allow rentals. So you don't have to worry about renters here. It's just for people who deserve that special lifestyle. They have a little beach right there. They've got kayak storage. They've got paddleboard storage right here. What else makes this so amazing?
I mean, if you could see over here, we have Diamond Peak. I mean, that's 10 minutes to get to the ski hill in the wintertime, and in the summertime, I mean, you're instantly on your boat, headed to Garwoods for happy hour. I mean, all those
the
things.
Garwoods and the Wet Woody.
Yeah.
You've been to Garwoods?
Oh, yeah.
A few Wet Woodies.
Many
What else
times,
we could go
many
over there? You could see Gun Barrel from Heavenly,
Yeah,
right?
Heavenly Mountains right over there. Kind of looks like the wishbone. Right up there, the tallest peak, that's Mount Talac. So just beautiful, great hiking over there too. I mean, there's endless hiking all around the lake, but
The Hyatt is right there. They've got a big pier at the Hyatt, and they're redoing the restaurant. There was a beautiful restaurant there. I used to work there 30 years ago, whatever it was. And they tore it down. They're building something big and beautiful, I'm sure. I mean, Larry Elson's doing that. It's going to be amazing. So that's going to be like a 10-minute boat ride away. What else we have? Sunnyside over there by boat. They've got who has the rum runners? Is it Camp Richardson?
that's
Camp
Cambridge has
Richardson.
the rum runners.
So I've had friends, that was like their Sunday thing to do. They would get on their boat and they would just go to each restaurant, every restaurant has a special drink, have a special drink, and then go to the next one and relax. It's an amazing lifestyle.
with 0 traffic, you can play around, you can get on your wakeboard, you can do all those fun things in between bar hopping on your boat. Or you can go to beaches, Skunk Harbor. There's all kinds of little cuddy places that you can take your boat into.
Emerald
Bay.
Emerald Bay is gorgeous.
Yeah,
We've been there
absolutely
many
gorgeous.
times to have lunch. It's just picturesque. It's like the thing you see in all the postcards from all over the world. That's what people live in Lake Tahoe.
So once you get here, you park your car and then you're free to do all those things without any traffic, any hassle,
The
no worries.
ultimate in luxury, wouldn't you say?
Yeah,
I love it. So, what do you think of this building? We've got a great building, 2 bedrooms, views of the lake from everywhere. It's spectacular. So, let's go I want to end up in the building, but I want to stay here. This is too
I
nice.
know, it's hard to leave.
This is
It's
like
hard to
one
leave.
day before New Year's Eve, and we're standing out here. It's beautiful, and I'm completely comfortable. I'm not cold. Are you?
I'm not cold at all.
That's great.
No.
What a great lifestyle. Yet we skied this morning, and here we are in the afternoon, and it's fantastic. Lake Tahoe is the most amazing place to live. And what side would you want to live on if you lived in Lake Tahoe?
Ooh, that's hard. I mean, I'm licensed around the whole lake and every corner has something to offer. So when you're here, you can kind of take advantage of all of it. Or you can just hang out in your own little neighborhood and enjoy what's there.
Come on, Nevada side is the best side to live
I
on.
guess
We don't have state income taxes.
Okay.
So if you were from the Bay Area, you could probably, if you could work in Nevada, you could save enough money to pay for this place just from your tax savings. How
That's a
awesome
good
is that,
point.
right?
Yeah.
Exactly. Yeah,
That's a
awesome.
good point.
All right, so let's go back up the unit. I want to show you a few more things and say goodbye.
All right.
So hopefully after showing you all this, you have a really good idea of what it's like living in Lakefront in Nevada, Lake Tahoe.
Yeah, this home just has a really special feeling. It has a nice presence. Not all homes have that, but the second you walk in, you can feel it.
You know, I love that. what I think we forgot to mention too is you get in privileges. So
Oh yeah.
the North Shore
Nice.
of Lake Tahoe, you have Incline Village in Crystal Bay, and Incline Village has 3 beaches, recreation center, 2 golf courses, pickleball courts, swimming pool in the rec center, and then Diamond Peak Ski Resort, right?
Yeah.
Now, the 3 beaches, Incline Village residents get access to the 3 beaches, which the owner of this does as well. And they're great because they've got concerts there, cocktail service is great. So if you want to get out of your own little unit here and go meet some other people, that's a great opportunity. Crystal Bay residents, which is right there, they're not allowed on the Incline Village beaches. I should say, unless they're invited by a resident. They're allowed, but they don't get access to the beaches. They have to come in with somebody else, right?
So you're right on the cusp. You're in Crystal Bay, but you still get the perks of Incline Village.
Which is pretty special because I know clients who actually live in Crystal Bay and they bought a vacant parcel in Incline Village for like $150,000 just so they get access to the beaches. So it is something very special that people living here really covet. So this unit, you get full in-grid privileges, which is pretty special. And what else do we get? We get the swimming pool, you get your own gym, you have covered parking, right?
Yeah.
Carport.
Yep, you have your own
designated spot.
Which is awesome. So you always have a spot wherever you come from. And I mean, the deeded buoy, I mean, those are hard to come by, and they're very expensive if you don't already have one. So I mean,
that just reminds me, I have friends that talk about they rent their buoy, they say for the year, because it's like $22,000 for the year, but it's only 4 months. So they never want to say how much it is per month. They say for the year it's $22,000. So having this buoy come with this unit, I mean, that's just an amazing.
You don't have to wait for it. You don't have to join a wait list. You don't have to do any of those things. It's yours.
All right. So you have a better idea of what's it like to live lakefront on Lake Tahoe, some of the special amenities living lakefront. It's pretty incredible. Because, that's another thing. So the homeowners at Incline Village on the lake do not get access to the beaches. So this is kind of like hybrid. You get the best of both. You're lakefront, but you get access to the beaches. So pretty special unit, beautifully done, a great building, very coveted in all of Lake Tahoe. Amazing amenities. Thank you for letting me show it. I appreciate it. Having a good time with you.
Absolutely.
And if you're thinking about purchasing this unit or any other property in Nevada side of Lake Tahoe, reach out to me if you want to be on the California side. Jan can take care of you on both sides. She's that special. She can do both sides.
Yeah.
I focus on the Nevada side. But reach out to us because we would love to have you live in Lake Tahoe. It is one of the most amazing experiences you ever get. Would you like to say anything to close it out?
I mean, it never gets old. This view and this lifestyle. So come be our neighbor.
Awesome. Thank you. Happy New Year.
I also wanted to do a quick little shout out to one of my clients, Rosa. She loves your channel. All right. So hi to Rosa. She cannot wait to come up and live in Nevada.